doing again? I hope y'all are having a blessed day, a great day. Hope it's all going well. As y'all can see from the little sliders in the beginning of the video, we got them in, finally. So today I'm just gonna kind of skim through what all I did, how I made all this work, and what else I still have to do, because there's still a lot to do. Just slowly getting there. I washed her up a couple days ago, so she looks pretty decent. She's still a little dirty just because I've been driving her to work and stuff, but finally got her re-waxed and everything like that, so she's looking good. She's looking good. For this though, I need to clean up all the wiring. I know that. So don't give me shit for all the wiring right now. I'm just gonna have it be hanging down from here until I can get it kind of cradled around the sides and maybe even mock up a hole to drill through here to slide it through the back, or just use this right here. I didn't even see that hole. Use this hole, mock it up through the back and down, and then come up and then get the wires in through here. Anyways, but I just want to kind of give y'all a little rundown of what I did. I am going to be popping these guys out sometime soon, real quick, and then I'm going to pull them out. I'm going to drill in some self-tappers through the bottom of the thing, some pretty long ones. I got to go grab them though. I'm going to drill some pretty long ones through there so then the box won't move. Recently I've been hitting bumps and stuff, and if you guys have ever had a box in your trunk, especially with how I have mine set up right now with the truck box, it will, when I hit a bump, it will actually slam down on the subs. I don't know if that's good for them or not. Probably not, especially while they're thumping. But I'm gonna go ahead, power this on, and then show you guys how I powered everything up and show y'all what it sounds like. So initially what I did from the start was how you guys saw. I had all the wiring, speakers, and everything were correct. The ground down there was perfect. The cord wiring was good. I just had to go get a smaller gauge, unfortunately, because it wouldn't fit into my amp. This is an older amp that I got off of a buddy of mine. He had it sitting in his garage. It's a 100-watt monoblock cheater amp. So basically what that is they would use this amp specifically on top of their other amps to get extreme sound out of it. With just this one amp in it, and it's not turned up all the way, I can tell you that right now. Not turned up all the way, this thing knocks. And for what I have for like Bose and whatnot, I'm really happy with how this thing sounds. I have no complaints for it, but let's get into this wiring. So first off, I went and bought one of these outlet converter boxes. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. What I'm getting at is this sub that I had right here, this sub was completely blown. I've had this car for years and whatnot. I had no use for this sub. So what I did was we actually unplugged it, which I'm gonna end up taking this sub out so that I can get some more sound coming through the back. But unclipped this, we unhooked all the wiring and stuff, and the only wire you don't need to worry about is this gray wire right here. I kept trying to wire everything into that gray wire, and that's what was messing me up tremendously, okay? This thing was not wanting to work correctly. None of this was right. So I'm gonna have to put some electrical tape back over that, maybe put it up into here. But all you need to worry about is this blue wire and this purple wire, and then this yellow wire, okay? So you got the blue, you got the purple, and you got the yellow, okay? So all you're gonna do is you literally just gonna go get that little outlet converter box. You're gonna wire yellow wire into a constant, which would be your other yellow wire, which is right here. So yellow to yellow. And then you're gonna run the negative. I wanna say the positive is the purple, the negative is the blue. Double check your manual though. Positive, negative, constant. That's it. And then the remote wire goes straight up into a constant turn on, which all it needs is a constant into the yellow. So you yellow the yellow with the blue, and then the ground power wires And that's it. That's all you got to do. I had a ground wire sitting right here, but I actually grounded out this to this ground wire, so I didn't actually need to make my own. And then the 2 RCA cables just go up and clip right into there. So again, you got your remote wire, remote turn on wire, which is back here. That wire all the way to the right. And then, so that's gonna plug directly in to the remote wire that's on the outlet converter. And then you got your constant with your constant, which is the yellow with the yellow. And then you got your ground source, and then you got your power. So there's like only 4 wires that you gotta do. The only problem I was having is I grabbed the wrong outlet converter box. Do not, and I can't stress this enough, do not buy the Kicker outlet converter box, dude. It doesn't work. It's a pile of shit. It's trash. I bought this at Walmart, this other outlet converter box at Walmart for like $21. It has an adjustable knob, which I'm gonna get to next. And what this knob does is I can actually hook it up right into there. See that? And then it wires down. I'm gonna make this a little cleaner. I'm gonna have it go underneath this bottom seat and then underneath my floor mat. And then I'm gonna have it drilled in probably right here, because this is about as far as I can get with it without having to splice some more wire on there or whatnot. And I could probably just grab some power wire and splice it on there, but I'm not really into it. I don't really care to do that. So it's just gonna get wired up right here, and then yeah,